Hey everyone, happy spring. Today I am going to show you guys a tutorial on how to make Rae Dunn inspired Easter eggs just in time for Easter. Now, I do not own a ton of Rae Dunn items myself, but the ones that I do I think are super cute. So when I saw wooden white and black eggs, I decided to make a Rae Dunn inspired Easter egg, and I'm gonna show you guys how I made these. They turned out super cute, and I feel like they could be used in any type of Easter decor around your house. I am going to be using my Cricut to make these, and I will show you how. If you are new here, please do not forget to subscribe and follow along. So first I found these white eggs at my Target dollar spot and these black ones. They were $3 for 6, so I got both sets. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to download the Rae Dunn font onto my computer, and this font can be found at defonts.com. I will put a link in the description to it, and you're just gonna type in the skinny and then download the fonts. And then when you go into your Cricut design space, when you type in the fonts, it should be there once you've installed it. Now, I put in all of these different words that I want my Easter eggs to say already. I am going to try to save this image and then put it in my description so you can use this image if you want and you don't even have to go through the other steps. But then I am going to take out my mat and print out all of the letters that I've written out. I'm going to do black on my white eggs, and then I'm also going to do cream on my black eggs. So I'm just using a regular vinyl. I'm going to clean out my words, and then I'm going to take my transfer tape and then just transfer the words directly onto my eggs. Because it is a curved surface, just take your time. I recommend starting with the center letter and then working your way out. You don't have to use the words I've chosen. You can choose whatever ones you want. If you have the skinny font on your Cricut, you can just print out whatever you like and put it on the eggs. I'm using a ivory color vinyl for my black eggs. And I'm going to start in the center for longer words and then make sure those are sticking really well, and then go to the outside just because it's a curved surface. You can also cut your contact paper so it makes it a little bit more malleable over the curve. These are so adorable. I absolutely love how they turned out. I am definitely going to be using them in some Easter decor this year. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I got this little blue egg container from Home Goods, and I am just going to put all my eggs in it, and then I can display them. These turned out so cute. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these little Rae Dunn eggs and if you would give them a try to make them. I hope you guys are having a lovely spring, and I will see you guys in the next video.